Alright, here we are back in Miller Canyon. Opposite shore this time. The last time I came in on foot, didn't bring the yak, but just saw a bald eagle fishing right here, so I assume this is where the trout are. So we'll give this a try and see how we do. Alright, something's toying with this one. Doesn't look like they're taking it though. Keep seeing the line move, but there's not a lot of wind, so I don't know if line's playing tricks on me or got a trout out there gumming it. Oh, yeah, it took a little more line. I think he's on there. Yeah, I think I got him. Or do I? Nope. I got something. Got a leaf. Well, let's try and get a fish. There we go. Got one? Yep. Feels decent. I decided to go with a darker color and it obviously paid off. Yeah. I mean, he hit it almost instantly. Let's see. Here he comes. He's not that big. Yeah, you're gonna need two hands. That's a heavy net. There you go. Yeah, nice little fish. So there we go. Oh, thanks. All right, there we go. Not huge, but nice fish. Hey, Josh, I just got bit on this one now. Yep. Yeah, I got him. Mouse tail, the pink and white, the old standby. Well, I think we found the trout. For those watching this video, literally I haven't even retied that hook. I just put the fish in the water on the stringer and this one was already going. So, doing pretty good. So we'll see, it might be the spot. You may want to, if you don't get anything right there, move right over here. Where's he at? Oh, nice size one. Another nice one. This one's a little bigger. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, careful. Oh, yeah. Damn, that's a nice fish. It's even got a hook jaw. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Nice hook jaw on him. You can see that. Nice fish. Alright, looks like I'm getting bit again. Yep, he's on there. You can keep tying, dude. I'm good. If it's big, yeah, I'll call you. It doesn't feel like it's anything massive. Anyway, if it is, I gotta fight it for a while anyway.
How long is it?
I think I'm at 24. I'm not measuring it, but pretty standard. I'm not doing anything different than I normally do. I don't know, this one might be a little bit more stout. Making big boy splashes. See, I might be able to get a look at them. Oh, it's good. I don't think it's huge. A lot of silver. Gonna put some of the jiggity jelly. If you just hand me the net when you walk over here, I can net it myself. It's a little steep here to beach it. Yeah, it's not a big one. Oh, thanks. You just don't want to quit. Silverwood trout are tough. Come here. There we go. Come on, son. Well, last ditch effort. Get over here. There we go. Ah, it's nice. All right, there we go. Number 3. Beautiful fish. All right, well the bite is shut down temporarily. I got those 3 like right back to back. And the funny thing is, in the last video I posted, this is the exact spot where I started. Once I beached the kayak, I was out by the buoys and I got a bite, but it got too windy, so I came in to beach the kayak and I didn't get a dang thing right here. So then ended up moving down in the center of that channel, and that's when I located all the fish on the fish finder, and I beached it over there in that muddy area right there, and that's where I got most of my fish. So interesting. So we'll give this some more time. May even move back to where we started over there. I don't know where if the trout have left or if they just shut off, but if we don't get bite after a few bait changes, we may move back and see if they've kind of migrated back further into the cove, and that's kind of how they do their thing out here. So we'll see how it goes. All right, as you can see, the weather's really getting bad, but we're still going to stick it out. We got good rain gear and good warm jackets, so we're warm. Just trying to find the fish. We moved a little bit further down the bank, but so far nothing here. And it's raining pretty good and starting to hail. Hey, you can even see some of the hail hitting the ground there. Unless that's peppercorn snow. Yeah, you can hear it hitting the water. Look at that. All right, we'll see how we do. All right, well, there you have it. It's cold and wet, but still had a great day. Got the 3. But after that, the bite seemed to turn off, so we're heading back. So at least able to get out and get out of quarantine and enjoy some sunshine, or at least some outdoor weather. So with all this going on, we know one thing, at least fishing isn't canceled. So if you want to get out the house, head on up to the mountains and can wet a line, at least get a break from all the madness. So leave comments, any questions you have. I always enjoy that. Check me out on Instagram, and we'll see you next time. Tight lines.